And the Interstate difference is we put out the things that others can't. When you think of suppression, we think of it's the unique hazards that are out there to either protect somebody's equipment, their valuable assets, and where the standard fire protection doesn't work. So that's one of the great things that we do here at Interstate, and we specialize in. Bring us a unique challenge, tell us we can't put a fire out, and we'll figure out a way to do that. The company's been established since 1985, started with the baseline of fire protection, which is fire extinguishers, and then just grew into this specialty company that we are today. We're based here in New England, having an office in both New Hampshire and Maine. We're able to cover a huge area. We recently made a relocation to Concord, and then we have our office up in Gardner, Maine, and each of these offices are now strategically located for the major highways in the Northeast. One of the unique things that Interstate does that a lot of other fire protection companies don't also do is we work with some of the major fuel providers in the Northeast. We've developed a system that utilizes a panel and releasing that can prevent an accidental discharge. It's unique to Interstate, and it's something that we've perfected over 25, 30 years of doing this fuel island fire protection. There still are the cases where there may be a fire, there may be a reason that a system goes off, but we pride ourselves in being able to answer a call from these fuel providers same day, be able to get their system back up and running and get them being able to produce fuel.
We might need to break this up.
We have guys that are strong in all different aspects of fire protection, and we blend those guys together to get the maximum result for the customer. In whatever type of system you need, we have you covered.
Our level of technical expertise far exceeds anybody else in this area and across the country.
We can bring all facets of the industry to one customer, kind of like one-stop shopping. And rather than sourcing out multiple contractors, they can do it all right here with one phone call.
We're versed in every different type of system that's out there, and we can lean on these different manufacturers and try to find the best price for the customer as well as the best solution. So that's one of the unique things that Interstate has in our pocket. We have a unique product called Aquamist. It's something that no one else in the country really does.
The Aquamist that we do across the country, that is technology that's very new, and people are just starting to catch on to it. And we're the #1 company in the country for these Aquamist systems for industrial fire protection.
If you combine the experience of the people we have here, it's hundreds of years. We've seen every unique application. Our goal at Interstate is to be ahead of the curve, to always find the newest product. Bring us a unique hazard and we'll find a way to protect it. We're going to find a manufacturer, we're going to find a product, we're going to find a way to develop or design that fire protection. A lot of people call it special hazards, and we take that to heart as finding a special solution for customers. Protecting people's assets, safety, keeping people's business running, that's what we care the most about at Interstate Fire Protection.